Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm jumping into a shark inspired look today. This past week was Shark Week. If you didn't know, now you know. Shark Week is awesome. Save the sharks. Sharks are incredible. I don't know if you guys have watched that series on Netflix, Our Planet. It's unbelievable. They feature a lot of sharks in there. So I've been recently inspired by Shark Week to support the sharks, to save the sharks. And there's a really rad skincare company that feels the same, and they are Biossance. So Biossance is a really rad company that actually saves over 2 million sharks a year by using squalane, which is the main ingredient in all of their products, that's actually derived from sugarcane instead of shark fin. So back in the day, a lot of companies would actually use shark to pull squalane, which is a moisturizing ingredient that retains moisture in the skin. So really popular in skincare, but Biossance is doing right by the world, man, and they're using sugarcane derived squalane, which is awesome. So I wanted to feature some of their products when I take off all this crazy makeup, and yeah, I'll do some skincare. So let's jump right in. Okay, so the first thing I'm gonna do, don't be alarmed, is just tuck these little straps down, because I'm definitely gonna be painting over my shoulders here. Okay, so I'm going in with my giant Mayron palette, and I think I'm going to take this gray color to start. It's got a little bit of a blue tint, and I'm going to blend this with some of the light blue to apply my little shark body first. Okay, so I've just sketched on with my little brow pencil here the shape of where I want the jaws to be and kind of the teeth and where they start. So now let's just paint it in. Might have to do another layer of this over my tattoo because I have a feeling it won't layer the first time the way I need it to. I'm just using more paint over my tattoo here because it definitely leaves a little bit of pigment. Okay, so I'm totally covered now in my little body paint here, and I'm going to start filling in the teeth and adding some detail. So I'm just taking some black eyeshadow now, and I'm going to define around these gums here to give a little bit more of a realistic look. So I'm placing this between where the blue color is and the rest of the gums are here. Okay guys, so last thing, I'm just gonna add some more like a splatter, some blood definition up here, just to kind of blend all of this together. Add some on the teeth here. And that just adds a bit more definition. And then I think we are done, you guys. Here is my little sharky shark. You can see he's coming in this way and he is chomping me in half. I hope you guys really enjoyed this look. I think I'm just gonna toss on some red lipstick. Maybe even I'll just use some paint. All right, so I'm just gonna add some powder now because my face is getting a little bit oily. And then I think we're done. Okay guys, here we are, Shark Attack.